Hi guys, this is Matt from Denicky Racing Technologies, and today I wanted to do a follow-up video on my project intro from last week. We've got a little bit more progress since then, so just wanted to give a bit of a progress report. So come over here, we have the first mock-up fit of all of the parts. Right now it's hollow, there's nothing inside. We're waiting on a couple more parts to do the real assembly, but in the meantime, I went through and checked all the bearing tolerances one last time, made sure they're all good. Wanted to make sure all the bolt holes lined up, all the pin holes lined up, and everything works out nice, which thankfully it did. Very happy with how everything came out, and really looking forward to getting that full of all the real parts. We've also done a little bit of rearranging to get ready for this project. We went through, we rearranged the garage, we kicked the car outside and pushed all the other projects over into the corner so that we have room to work and room to not get sloppy while we're trying to make things happen. Over here we have a table with some of our parts staged out. They're binned according to what part of the engine they go in, transmission parts, clutch parts, water pump parts, etc., etc. We have our different stages of cylinders. They're all ported a little bit differently, and we're going to see how they all do on the dyno versus each other. In here we have our new custom reads from Boysen that we're looking forward to, and some other odds and ends. But yeah, no, so we're very excited. We also got a paint gun. So we can Cerakote some of the parts. These are just some test parts that I pulled off of, this is off one of my other bikes, and this was just a spare head I had laying around, just to see how we like the color. So this color we're gonna do as an accent on some of the parts, but the cases we're going to Cerakote clear just to protect them so that they stay nice and that they don't get all corroded. The dirt in my area is super red and stains stuff really badly, so I don't want to have stained billet cases because that wouldn't look very good. So still have to decide what parts we want clear and which we want the silver gray color, but time will tell on what I decide there. Haven't fully made up my mind yet, so look forward to giving you guys another project update soon, and stay tuned for more.